Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gemini read PDFs. Gemini does not have a built-in feature to directly open or process PDF files. The most effective way to get Gemini to read a PDF is to extract the text content from the document. You can then paste this extracted text directly into the chat interface. This method allows Gemini to analyze and respond to the information contained within your PDF. To begin, open your PDF document using a standard PDF reader like Adobe Acrobat Reader or a web browser. Carefully select the specific sections or the entire document text that you wish Gemini to process. Once selected, use the standard copy command, either Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac, to copy the text to your clipboard. This prepares the content for its next step. Now, open your web browser and go to the Gemini chat interface. Locate the prompt box where you typically type your questions. Paste the text you copied from your PDF directly into this box. After pasting, you can immediately start asking Gemini questions about the content. For example, you could ask for a summary, key points, or specific details from the document. For optimal results, consider breaking down very large PDF documents into smaller, manageable text chunks before pasting them. This helps Gemini process the information more efficiently and reduces the chance of exceeding character limits. Always review the copied text for any formatting issues or errors that might confuse the AI. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you utilize Gemini more effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.